Hi everyone. Good evening. Hello Abhinav. Hello Ishwant. Hello Ajay. Good evening everyone. Hello Devesh. Hello Aditya. Hello Soumya. Somaya, sorry. Hello Amit. Hello Karan. Okay. So hello Aditya Singh. Let's get started now, right? Hello Abdul. Hello Abhishri. Hello Shivam. Hello Devashish. So now today we are going to address few of the questions that you guys might be having. Okay. So, few things that I have in my mind. So let me first talk about those things, and then I will take your questions and I will try to answer those. So the very first thing that I have in my mind is that is is it good to prepare for Gate DA, right? Is it helpful? Is this preparation of Gate DA going to help you somehow? Either I mean somehow in the sense somehow to make your career in the better shape, either for the MTech or maybe for job, or how this preparation can help you in the best way. Okay, this is the first question that I want to address. Now let me just tell you that uh, this Gate DA, basically, if I talk about in first in terms of the MTech. Okay, so this Gate DA score is widely, okay, not just in one or two or few IITs. Let me just tell you, it is applicable, or it is accepted to almost all IITs and many NITs. You might be aware about it, right? See, there is one thing, that few IITs have specifically Gate DA only, which means that, for example, they have their IT branch, their AI branch. For example, in IISc, Indian Institute of Science, in IIT Madras, they have a specific. I think in IIT Bombay also they are starting, right. So in these colleges, at least in Madras and IISc this year, I know that they have started their. Their branches were already there, but yeah, they have started taking admission to their these branches, AI branches, using Gate DA score only. But for other IITs, for example, let's say I talk about IIT Guwahati, okay, or IIT maybe Kanpur, or some other, or maybe IIT Delhi. For some other IITs, they might not be having their specific branch for machine learning, which means MTech in machine learning they were not having earlier, but they are accepting Gate DA score to their CS branch. Okay, even if they are not having their machine learning, MTech machine learning course separately, still they are having, or they are accepting Gate DA score. So I do not actually know any IIT that has not this year, okay, this year, which means in Gate 2024, that has not accepted Gate DA score. Okay. Yeah, maybe in IIT Delhi, in one of the program. Okay, in IIT Delhi, okay, Rupam is saying IIT Delhi has this Minds School of AI. Yes, so I think it was started this year only, right? Or it was last year. Can you confirm? Okay, in 2022 it has got started. That's great. So IIT Delhi also has Minds School of AI. Similarly, IIT Bombay has C Minds. Similarly, like other IITs have, like for example Madras, IISc. These already have their MTech in AI. So these IITs have their MTech in AI, but there are some other IITs which does not have MTech in AI. But that's fine. Okay, that is fine. Which means that even if they do not have MTech in AI specifically, they still accept Gate DA score. So if you get good rank, if you get, let's suppose, top 300 rank, then definitely you are going to reach to top IIT, at least to top 7 IIT. Okay, this is the one thing. Another thing, I hope you understood this, right? Another thing that I want to talk about is about PSUs. So unfortunately, PSUs has not accepted Gate DA score. Maybe can we expect that PSU will be accepting or not? Maybe they may, but honestly, strong chances are there that they may not accept. Okay, they may not. Yes, you will be getting recording of this session, so they may not accept. So regarding the PSUs, you should not be much hopeful, to be honest. And also in the computer science, even if you talk about the computer science, right, in computer science also there's a huge competition, and also the PSUs are accepting. I mean, it's not like PSUs are not accepting, but there are very less vacancies, right? For the PSUs there are very less vacancies. So in computer science there are less vacancies in the PSU. In Gate DA they are not accepting at all. So that is the thing. Have you understood this thing? Okay. So basically, don't be much hopeful about the PSUs. Let me be very honest with you guys. If you are thinking that okay, PSUs may accept, maybe they okay, but chances are less. To be honest, okay. According to me, chances are less. Okay. Yeah. So DRDO, BARC, ISRO, there are less chances. Actually, there are less chances. Okay. Okay. So this is one thing about the gate DA acceptance. Now, the second thing that I wanted to discuss is about that how this gate DA can help you in terms of getting the job or something like this. Okay, so which means that even if you don't go to MTech, then also is this preparation going to help you? Okay, let me just tell you regarding that. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, Suman. So let me just tell you that how this score is going to help you. So for example, yeah. So yeah, first of all, welcome to the session. Okay. So for example, let me just help you that with the syllabus itself. For example, this is the syllabus of machine learning. Okay, this is the syllabus of machine learning that we have in the GATE DA. Now, let me just do one thing. Let me just tell you that what does Amazon ask as an like if you apply as an applied scientist for applied scientist role, what does Amazon ask? Just for the sake of reference, do you want to compare the Amazon I can say syllabus? Okay, actually this HR will send you one PDF which will be having the list of topics to prepare before the interview. Okay, so let me just pull out that syllabus from my mail and let me just tell you that how this syllabus and that the Amazon send you, how these two are similar. Do you want to get it compared? Okay, so let's just see, right? Let's just see that how much Amazon asks and how this syllabus is covering, how much this syllabus is overlapping with with what any company is asking. Okay, let me just tell you. Okay, can you see my screen? Great. So, yeah, just a second. Okay. So currently on the screen, you can see Gate DS syllabus. Now, let me tell you the official doc. Okay. This is the doc that is shared by Amazon. See, let me tell you one doc. This is a doc that I have not prepared. Okay. This is the doc that is shared by Amazon HR if you apply to if you apply to Amazon as an applied scientist role for an applied scientist role. Obviously, if you get the interview call, then only they will share the doc. Otherwise, they will not share to everyone. So only if you get the interview call, then they will share this doc, right? I mean, this is not mysterious or something. This is a very much normal doc. But I just want to have you one simple comparison about this doc and GATE DA syllabus. See, in this doc, you can definitely see supervised learning, right? Here, K nearest neighbors method, naive based kernel methods, okay, gradient descent or gradient boosted. These things are not in the GATE DA syllabus, but that's fine. So gradient descent is there, right? Linear regression is there. These overfitting and these evolution matrices, these almost all of this is already in GATE DA syllabus, right? Yes, deep neural networks is not in GATE DA syllabus. I mean, this only the first topic is there. This neural networks, not much about the CNN, RNN, LSTM. These are not there. So anyway, but that's fine. I mean, some things are not there, but most of the things are there. So this particular topic is there, but other than this, RNN, CNN, these things are not there in the GATE DA syllabus. Okay. Now, in the unsupervised, you have the clustering methods, right? Clustering algorithms. These things are already there in GATE DA syllabus. Probabilistic graphical models, although Amazon also doesn't ask it, it is just for the sake of the completion they share this doc for the sake of you can say formality that they tell you okay these are the topics to prepare something like that. But Amazon doesn't ask this probabilistic graphical models. But even if they ask, that is already there in your GATE DA syllabus. You know how? This is the syllabus of AI. So basically in AI, you will be able to see this variational inference and inference methods. So let me just tell you the AI syllabus basically. Yeah. So you can see right here inference method, inference through the variable elimination and these things, right? These things are already there in the AI syllabus. So this particular probabilistic graphical model, in short, this is called PGM, okay, like popularly called PGM, which means probabilistic graphical models. That is already there in your AI syllabus, but don't worry, it is actually very much ignorant. I mean, no one is going to ask you in any of the interview, okay, be it Amazon, be it even Google, be it Microsoft, Flipkart, anything, okay, no one is going to ask you this PGM. Really, they will ask you. Even if they ask you, I'm telling you that that is already in your AI syllabus. Okay. Dimensionality reduction. I think by this time you must have heard about this SVD, right? Because we have covered this in linear algebra. That is already there in your syllabus. PCA is already there in your syllabus. This clustering methods are already there in your syllabus, right? So almost everything. Yes, the sequential methods are also not asked. The CRF, HMM, these are not asked anywhere in neither this reinforcement learning. Okay. So whatever is being asked, actually whatever is being asked, that is already there. Okay. Whatever is being asked, that is already there in your GATE DS syllabus. Okay. So why I'm doing this kind of comparison, or why I'm telling you, and what I want to convey from this particular idea is that even let's suppose that you prepare 1 year, you prepare hard 1 year, and even if you choose to not go for masters, or maybe like it should not happen, but I'm just saying that maybe by some chance that yeah, like because of some situations, because of some circumstances, you are not ready to give gate. Maybe because maybe let's suppose because you are ill, or maybe some other emergency situation, and you haven't appeared for gate for some reason, right? Then also you're well prepared to the machine learning interview, at least at the fresher level. So let me tell you, you can again, this meeting is getting recorded, you can take the clip of this, and let me tell you honestly that if you prepare for the gate DA very honestly, if you prepare, which means whatever we are teaching you, just have the good understanding of all of this. Okay, it is taking some time for us to also teach, I agree. I'm trying my best to not waste time, to utilize my time fully, to provide you as much as things possible. So don't worry, I will tell you about the syllabus completion and all, like what are the plans. But yeah, let me first complete about this, that if you just prepare all of this very honestly, okay, not I'm not saying that okay, you have to prepare day and night. Just prepare honestly, whatever is feasible for you normally. Okay, what a normal experience do, just do it. Even if you do it normally with us, then also you are well prepared for any kind of machine learning interview, at least for the fresher level. And and you can mark my words that interviewer will be highly impressed by your knowledge of machine learning, your knowledge of mathematics. See, most of you guys have seen this correlation, covariance, these things, right? Covariance metrics, these things, right? We have taught in probability. SBD, maybe we have taught in linear algebra. How many of you have you seen those lectures? Maybe most of you, right? So basically, in machine learning, those kind of things are going to come. And let's suppose some interviewer is asking, maybe they are asking about the regularization. Regularization is one of the topic, okay? And there the covariance metrics. If you explain the regularization with respect to the covariance and with respect to the SPD. So let me just tell you one thing. Just one thing. See. See, this is slides from IIT Madras, Mitesh Kapra. He is one of the popular professor. Okay, so let me tell you that there's a topic called regularization. Okay, sorry, this is PCA lectures. One second. हाँ, ये regularization. This is a slide of regularization. Regularization is one of the topic in machine learning. Can you see covariance here in the slide of regularization? So if you already know covariance, then these things, okay, you already know the basics, then these things actually become very easy. And if you explain these things with the basics, अगर आपने covariance का यूज करके regularization समझा दिया इंटरव्यूअर को, इंटरव्यूअर मतलब इतना ज्यादा खुश हो जाएगा, वो चेयर से उठ जाएगा कि यार ये मतलब क्या कर दिया आपने. अगर आपने इतने बेसिक से उसको समझा दिया ना कि ये होता है रेगुलराइजेशन, एंड यूजिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस बेसिक्स, देन ही विल बी हाईली इंप्रेस्ड. ऑब्वियसली वी आर गोइंग टू सी ऑल ऑफ दिस इन मशीन लर्निंग कोर्स, बट ये कोवेरियंस आपने एसवीडी पढ़ा, राइट? एंड दिस एसवीडी कंसेप्ट आर आल्सो यूज्ड इन दिस regularization. See, this is a slide of regularization. SVD में similar kind of thing you have seen कि एक मैट्रिक्स होती है U, है ना, एक डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स होती है बीच में, एंड देन V ट्रांसपोज, एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई विद सम वेक्टर. वी हैव सीन सम ज्योमेट्री ऑफ एसवीडी, है ना, कि एक वेक्टर को इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग टू सम मैट्रिक्स, लेट्स सपोज A, एंड दिस इज लेट्स एज्यूम दिस इज अ सिंगुलर वैल्यू डिकम्पोजिशन. तो उससे क्या क्या होता है ना, अगर आपको याद हो तो ये Q ट्रांसपोज पहले रोटेट करता है ना, फिर ये इस लाइक दिस डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स इज गोइंग टू multiply with some coefficient, and then it is going to rotate back, something little bit, might you might remember, right? In the SVD we have seen, we will see that these things in the detail whenever we are going to start machine learning. But what I'm telling you, that if you already know SVD, right, if you already know covariance matrix, then these things will become very very easy. And if you explain all of this, okay, all of this, which means this machine learning with the help of covariance, with the help of the basic stuff, with the help of svd and all of this, then the interviewer will be extremely happy. He will be extremely happy to see that, okay, you know the fundamentals, and that's what really matters. So what I'm telling you is that even if let's suppose that you don't appear for gate, okay, by in the worst case, let me tell you, in the worst case, even if you don't appear for the gate, still these things are going to help you a lot. Okay, these things are going to help you a lot. Understood? Okay. Yeah, so Suman has written one message, so let me just put that message here. So he's saying, if one go over the LA lectures, that only can impress interviewer at any company like Amazon. PC, SVD optimization, regularization, these are very common questions. Yes, these are actually very common questions. And if you just prepare for LA, probability, these with Gate DA syllabus, and in optimization also I have shared today, right? And now also I will share that what are the things that we are going to cover. Okay, so even if you study these basics, then obviously these basics are going to helpful in PCA, SVD optimization, regularization. These are very common questions, and these days they ask few questions on conditional probability, as a lot of the work is going on RL. In summary, LA or machine learning course is way more for the interview in any company, specifically in big or small, one who work around research. Yes, that is true that they mostly focus on. Actually, they also focus on like calculus, in the sense that optimization part, they very much focus on LA. Yes, this covariance and these things, they definitely focus. Conditional probability they might not focus. Yes, I also agree about it. Okay, so what I'm telling you in summary, that even if you prepare, okay, for the gate DA thoroughly, then, and you don't appear even for the MTech, then also it is making you worth to appear or to crack any fresher level interview, even in the top companies. Okay. Uh, I think Ajay has sent me recently one message. He was saying that he was seeing Amazon summer school questions or something like that, right? Ajay, you sent me, right, one message recently. So Ajay sent me one message recently about that he was seeing some questions in the. Can you paste that particular message here also? Okay, I don't have access to WhatsApp currently. You have sent me on WhatsApp, right? So you can, if you want, you can paste it here. So he said that he was basically going through Amazon summer school questions, and he was able to do all of the questions. Okay, not even the single question was left related to LA probability. And obviously related to machine learning, he was not able to solve because we have not covered it. So basically, the way we are covering, don't underestimate it. Okay, we are covering thoroughly. Trust me, we are covering everything thoroughly in very good detail. See, even for the simple topic like, for example, SVD, we have spent 3 lectures, right? 3 lectures just for the SVD. And even like very small topic, for example, correlation. It was nothing, like just one formula of correlation. We have spent 1 lecture, okay, related to correlation. And also, I have prepared, like I will share in just tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow at max. I have prepared 30 questions, and out of those 30 questions, you can say maybe 10 questions you can say related to covariance and correlation. Okay, and 20 questions related to expected as well, like conditional expectation and these kind of things. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say, that don't underestimate the way we are studying the subjects. Okay, and also, is this understood to you guys, that if you cover the syllabus, then you are already preparing for the Amazon. Okay, let me just share one more doc with you. That is interview experience, Amazon interview experience. Should I share Amazon interview experience? Okay, there is one doc. We can just share in 1 minute. Do you want it to see Amazon interview experience? What they ask? Okay, the question by question, what they ask. Okay, and I will do one to one mapping, that this question is this, see this topic. This question is this, see this topic. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so I have Amazon interview experience with me. This is applied scientist role, applied scientist one. Okay, by the way, how much you think that AS1 pays, like have the pay scale per month? How much you think? Any guess? Per month, I'm asking you, that comes into your account without any deduct. I mean, after the deduction, that after that amount, you don't have to pay anything to the government. You can fully utilize that amount legally. Okay, I mean, you don't have to do any tax ki chori or something. नहीं 5 लाख तो is too much. 5 lakhs per month is too much. This is this is 2.5 lakhs. Okay, 2.5 lakhs per month. 2.5 lakhs per month. This is huge, right? This is really huge. As a fresher, just imagine after 2 or 3 years, you're earning 2.5 lakhs per month. Isn't it a amount that is a dream, dream amount that you will be getting per month? 2.5 lakhs per month is too much. Let me just tell you. Okay. Obviously, it is, and also, yes, as a fresher. And also, let me just tell you, it was the amount at my time, but I have heard that they have increased the amount, because obviously because of the inflation, right? I think at my time they used to offer 38 as base, but I think now they're offering 45 or 46 as base. I mean the cash component basically. Okay. So this is too much, right? Uh, just okay. So let's talk about this only. Now, let me just tell you that at Amazon, you get to pay huge amount that I mean 2.5, approximately 2.5. Maybe now they have increased the amount. Maybe now the amount might be like approximately I can say 2.6 or 2.65, something like that, right? So because they have increased it. But they also ask the same thing that is in the GATE DA syllabus. Okay. So which means this gate DA syllabus is of huge significance. So now let me just tell you. Let me just tell you that what they ask. See here. What is a linear regression? Why it is called linear? Don't you think after gate DA you will be able to answer this? What is a logistic regression? Okay, why it is called regression? Obviously, you will be able to answer. What is cross entropy loss for? Like these are in the gate syllabus only. Okay, everything entirely in the gate syllabus. मतलब भर भर के ये तो gate syllabus में हम इसका तो weekly क्यूज करेंगे cross entropy loss का. Okay, so regression, classification, difference, loss function explains cross entropy loss. Sigmoid का do you remember in GATE DA this year only there was a calculus question fx, वो sigmoid function था. अगर किसी को मतलब sigmoid के बारे में पता है तो एक sigmoid से related question आया था. Anyone knows? है ना? तो ठीक है. Explain bias various trade off. Obviously that is in the GATE DA syllabus. हाँ, ये bagging boosting नहीं है, but that is fine. Entropy decision tree है, decision tree is there, but bagging boosting is not there. ROC SBM is definitely there. Support vector machine देखो, support vector machine should be here. Yeah, SVM, right? Support vector machine must be there, which is SVM. हाँ, ये बैगिंग बूस्टिंग रैंडम फॉरेस्ट ये नहीं है. ओवरफिटिंग डेफिनेटली इज देयर. CNN RNN ये नहीं है. ऑब्वियसली PCA इज देयर, राइट? So now you can see कि at Amazon also they are asking exactly same thing that is there in the GATE DA syllabus. Okay, at Amazon level, just imagine Amazon level. It's not any Hulululu company. It's Amazon, right? Even Amazon is asking the same thing that is there in the GATE DA syllabus. Now, are you getting a little bit confidence that this syllabus is actually making you prepare directly for the industry? See, later also. If you see K means, right? Hard clustering, soft clustering, these things are there. Evaluation matrices. How will you evaluate clustering? These all the things are in the GATE DA syllabus, other than LSTM. Okay. Yeah, for DSA they will ask you not very tough question, only medium level question only if you are applying for the machine learning. So at the machine learning, they will ask you medium level question. So for example, these are 2 3 questions from the DSA. Okay. Yeah, so this is one round. I think that is a little bit more about the deep learning. I think, right? CNN, these ReLU, what is deep learning? Yeah, this round went regarding the deep learning, but that is fine. This ML is in the GATE DA syllabus. It is in the GATE DA syllabus. I think LD is also in the GATE DA syllabus. Discriminant analysis. I'm not sure. I will check about the LDA. Okay. Now there is one round about the project discussion or something related to that. That case study. Generally they call it case study. This is higher manager round. Okay. This is again related to machine learning. They will just discuss that what are the ideas about the transfer learning or whatever is the latest trend. Right? इतना तो हम MTech में पढ़ोगे ही ना. Obviously. When you work, ये तो नॉर्मल HR राउंड है ना कि ये सब तो पूछते ही हैं. तो ठीक है. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग दैट योर गेट डीए सिलेबस इज मेकिंग यू वेल प्रिपेयर टू द इंडस्ट्री. Obviously it will not prepare directly to the Amazon because वहां पे थोड़ा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You can say this preparation plus 3 to 4 months, okay, at max 3 months. पर आप directly Amazon में जाओगे भी नहीं. And I don't think they will directly take your interview as an applied scientist role. This is the realistic hope that we can get. They might take you as SD, as a software developer. They may take you initially, and then later on you can switch as an applied scientist. Okay, वो directly लेंगे भी नहीं. वो प्रेफर करते हैं एमटेक एक्चुअली. ओके, दे टू मच प्रेफर एमटेक. ओके, फॉर अप्लाइड साइंटिस्ट. बट डेफिनेटली आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द अमेजॉन. इट वाज जस्ट फॉर द रेफरेंस. मतलब आप यू आर ऑलरेडी वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर टॉप नॉच कंपनीज. मैं आपको कंपनीज के नाम गिनाता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑब्जर्व डॉट ए आई, देयर इज वन कंपनी दैट इज वर्किंग इन मशीन लर्निंग. वहां से लाइक मेरे को भी उस टाइम पे ऑफर आया था. And they generally pay like they offered me 28 lakh something as an like base amount. But they generally pay more than 25 lakhs. So and they take the freshers. Okay, अगर आपको इतना सब कुछ आता है, you can apply to companies like Observe.ai. They will pay you, definitely they will pay you more than 20 lakhs. Observe.ai हो गया, ShareChat हो गया, एनफ्रेंस हो गया. बहुत सारी कंपनीज हैं जिनमें आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो. अभी तो मैं कंपनीज के नाम भी भूल गया क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो गया. 247.ai यहाँ से मेरे को कॉल आया था, मतलब एक्चुअली ऑफर भी आया था. इसका इंटरव्यू मेरा बेस्ट गया था, अमेजोन से भी अच्छा गया था 247.ai का. तो ये जो कंपनी है जिनका मैं आपको नाम गिना रहा हूँ, दैट दे विल टेक यू even without the masters. I mean, they will take the interview even without the masters. So what I'm trying to say is that even if you don't choose masters, okay, then also you have very good career if you complete all of this. Okay, if you complete all of this. Understood? So basically, don't underestimate this GATE DA syllabus. It is very powerful syllabus. It will land you to your dream job. So this is one thing. And definitely we are preparing for masters. Okay, I'm not saying that we are not preparing for GATE. Actually होता क्या है? Let me just tell you one thing. कि आप okay, I will ask you. Okay, I will ask you one thing. You have seen probability. You have seen linear algebra, right? Okay, you can unmute yourself and just tell me one thing very honestly. Okay, you can unmute yourself. Anyone who wants to speak, you can speak. Let me just ask you one question. You have seen probability, you have seen linear algebra. Now, suppose if I ask you, if I say to you that I want to, okay, there is some very beginner and he have not studied linear algebra till now. And suppose he asks you कि यार linear algebra कहाँ से पढ़ना है. ओके, सपोज ये आस्क यू कि लीनियर अलजेब्रा में मुझे ना अच्छे से क्वेश्चंस भी करने हैं, प्रैक्टिस भी करनी है, वीकली क्विजेज मतलब गेट के भी पीवाईक्यू करने हैं, या मतलब उसको लीनियर अलजेब्रा समझना है. लेट सपोज वो गेट की प्रिपरेशन भी नहीं करना चाहता. आपके पास दो ऑप्शन है. आप कोई फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटी के लेक्चर उनको बताओ, मतलब दैट कैन बी लेटर स्टेप. बट मैं एज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, एज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वुड यू सजेस्ट? अगर मान लो लीनियर अलजेब्रा गो क्लासेस पे फ्री है, तो क्या आप वो सजेस्ट नहीं करोगे? आप बोल सकते हो कि एक बार ये देख लो, उसके बाद आप आपको जहां पे देखना है आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वॉच गिलबर्ट स्ट्रैंग लेक्चर, यू विल बी वेरी मच हैप्पी आफ्टर सीइंग गिलबर्ट स्ट्रैंग लेक्चर, और लाइक बाय सीइंग गिलबर्ट स्ट्रैंग लेक्चर, इफ यू कंप्लीट गो क्लासेस कोर्स फर्स्ट, राइट? एक बार आप वो देख लो, उसके बाद आपको हर जगह से ज्यादा समझ में आएगा। डोंट यू एग्री? Similarly, for the probability, similarly it is going to happen for the calculus, similarly it is going to happen for machine learning. So what I'm saying to you कि मान लो कि किसी को मशीन लर्निंग में स्विच करना है। आपने मान लो कि पूरा सिलेबस किया गेट डीए का, आपने पढ़ा एक साल, है ना? उसके बाद ये आपको आइडिया लगेगा, अभी तो आप नहीं आंसर कर पाओगे इस क्वेश्चन का। मान लो एक साल बाद आपसे कोई पूछता है कि यार मेरे को गेट डीए नहीं करना, आई जस्ट वांट टू स्विच इन मशीन लर्निंग। ओके, मेरे को बस मशीन लर्निंग में स्विच करना है। व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे टू स्टेप इनटू मशीन लर्निंग? ओके, सी, अगर गेट डीए नहीं था उस टाइम पे आप क्या बोल सकते थे? उस टाइम पे आप बोल सकते थे कि यार कोर्सेरा पे ये कोर्स देख लो, एनडीओएनजी वाला कोर्स देख लो, यहां से आइडिया मिल जाएगा, यहां से ऐसा हो जाएगा, यहां से आइडिया मिल जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा हो जाएगा। बट सपोज आपके पास, आपने गेट डीए का प्रिपरेशन किया, आप उसे क्या ये सजेस्ट नहीं करोगे कि आपको भले ही गेट नहीं करना, स्टिल आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू गो फॉर गेट डीए सिलेबस, स्टिल आई विल सजेस्ट यू टू स्टडी गेट डीए मशीन लर्निंग। आप गेट डीए के थ्रू, मतलब गेट डीए के कोर्स के थ्रू मशीन लर्निंग पढ़ो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग फॉर अदर कोर्स। उसका मैं आपको रीजन बता देता हूं, बिकॉज हेयर द कोर्स विल बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड। मतलब अगर आप इन जनरल किसी भी एक लाइक कोर्स रखे कोर्स या किसी भी टाइप के कोर्स की बात करोगे, उनका आइडिया अलग होता है। दे डोंट गिव यू दीज मेनी एमसीक्यूज और एनएटीज और एमएसक्यू। डू दे गिव यू? क्या वो आपको इतने सारे एमसीक्यू वगैरह देंगे किसी भी टॉपिक के लिए? क्या वो आपको कोई 30 क्वेश्चंस करवाएंगे बैक टू बैक? ऑब्वियसली नहीं करवाएंगे, राइट? है ना? लेकिन आपको भी पता है कि क्वेश्चंस को करने से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस इंप्रूव होता है, क्वेश्चन को करने से आपको टॉपिक की ज्यादा समझ होती है, राइट? डू यू एग्री? तो अगर अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि गेट की मशीन लर्निंग को पढ़ने का क्या एक अच्छा तरीका है, तो आप बोलोगे गेट डीए के थ्रू मशीन लर्निंग को पढ़ने का एक अच्छा तरीका है, क्योंकि इट इज मोर स्ट्रक्चर्ड। डोंट यू एग्री? अच्छा ठीक है, गेट डीए का छोड़ते हैं। आपने किसी ने हैज एनीवन ऑफ यू हैव सीन सी प्रोग्रामिंग गो क्लासेस? सी प्रोग्रामिंग किसी ने पढ़ा है?
यस सर।
ओके, हाँ। किसने बोला था? एक बार आप दोबारा माइक ऑन करेंगे? हाँ, दीपांशु। ठीक है, दीपांशु, आपने जैसे सी प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ा है, आई थिंक सोनम ने भी पढ़ा है ना, श्रद्धा ने भी पढ़ा है, एंड विराज आपने पढ़ा है क्या? आपने ये अमेजिंग किसके लिए लिखा था? सी प्रोग्रामिंग के लिए लिखा था क्या? ठीक है, चलो मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ जिन्होंने सी प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ा है, ठीक है? अगर कोई आपसे कोई एक नया कोई बिगिनर पूछे कि यार सी प्रोग्रामिंग कहाँ से पढ़ना है ना, मुझे मतलब सी प्रोग्रामिंग में अच्छा कमांड चाहिए, तो क्या आप उसे गो क्लासेस का सी प्रोग्रामिंग कोर्स सजेस्ट नहीं करोगे? टेल मी।
डेफिनेटली सर होगा।
राइट, सो उसका क्या रीजन है? दीपांशु, उसका क्या रीजन हो सकता है? उसका मुझे जो लग रहा है, ओके, लेट मी जस्ट से यू वन थिंग, है ना? फिर आप बताना आपका रीजन। मुझे क्या लग रहा है उसका रीजन कि सी, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कोर्स के अलावा कहीं वो नहीं है या कुछ ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, कंपेयर टू अदर मॉक कोर्सेज लाइक मूक कोर्सेज, जो हम उनको बोलते हैं कोर्सेरा या ऐसे कोर्सेज के अलावा, आप वो कोर्स प्रेफर कर सकते हो, क्योंकि वहां पे आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में क्वेश्चंस भी मिलते हैं। आपको वीकली क्विज मिलेगा, आपको प्रैक्टिस सेट मिलेगा, आपको इतने क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे, आपके गेट सीएस में तो पीवाई क्यूज भी बहुत हैं। आपको, आप इतनी प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे, इतने क्वेश्चन कर लोगे पॉइंटर का इतना, कि आपको सी प्रोग्रामिंग का एक क्रिस्टल क्लियर आइडिया हो जाएगा। एग्री? हाँ, दीपांशु, आप क्या बोल रहे हो, बताइए।
यस सर, सर डेफिनेटली सर। आई वांट टू शेयर जस्ट माय वन ऑफ माय थॉट दैट सर, मेरे जो कॉलेज सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में सी प्रोग्रामिंग पढ़ाया गया था, तो उसके थ्रू मैंने एग्जाम दिया था। तो मतलब इतना अच्छे से प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था, तो दिस टाइम आई गॉट सी ग्रेड इन दैट सब्जेक्ट। तो हमें हमें एक इम्प्रूवमेंट करने का चांस मिलता है, तो तब मैंने सी प्रोग्रामिंग गो क्लासेस से देखा था। दिस टाइम आई हैव गॉट 55 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 60 एंड हाईएस्ट इन माय बैच।
वाह,
पॉइंटर्स
ग्रेट,
के सारे क्वेश्चन सही थे।
ग्रेट, ग्रेट, ऑसम। राइट, सो बेसिकली आपको ना एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे मिलता है। अभी अभी आपको ना, आप जो कोर्स पढ़ रहे हो, आप अभी हिंदी में एक देयर इज अ सेइंग कि घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर। अभी आपको लग रहा होगा कि ठीक है यार, गो क्लासेस ठीक है ना, मतलब चल रहा है जैसा भी है। मैं सही सही बता रहा हूँ। आप कहीं बाहर देखो, आपको कंपैरिजन भी समझ में आएगा, आपको ये भी समझ में आएगा कि ये चीजें कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। आई डोंट वांट टू स्किप एनीथिंग, दैट इज द रीजन आई एम टेकिंग टाइम, ठीक है? अदरवाइज ऑब्वियसली मैं जल्दी भी भगा सकता हूँ, मैं कोरिलेशन के लिए एक एक दिन नहीं लगाऊंगा, मैं कोरिलेशन को 10 मिनट में भी खत्म कर सकता हूँ, क्योंकि वो एक सिंपल सा कोवेरियंस के बाद तो इवन सिंपल फॉर्मूला है। उसमें उसमें एक डिवीजन डिवीजन ही करना है क्वांटिटी का, कोवेरियंस में एक डिवीजन ही करना है, कुछ है ही नहीं। कोवेरियंस पढ़ाने के बाद, तो फिर भी एक लेक्चर क्यों लिया? ताकि आपको कोरिलेशन क्लियर रहे कि कोरिलेशन इंट्रोड्यूस भी क्यों हुआ था। वो भी एक रीजन पता होना चाहिए ना कि इंट्रोड्यूस भी क्यों हुआ था, कोरिलेशन का क्या फायदा है, क्या नुकसान है, वो सब। राइट। हाँ, पीसीए भी उसमें थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस किया कि पीसीए का कोवेरियंस मैट्रिक्स भी डिस्कस की। सो व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू, जो मेरा पॉइंट था कि अभी आपको लग रहा है कि ठीक है हम गेट डीए का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, मैं क्या फोकस करवाना चाह रहा हूं, आप गेट डीए का तो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ आप एक्सट्रीमली एंड हैवीली आप मशीन लर्निंग अपनी बहुत एपिक लेवल पे प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लेवल पे प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? सो योर मशीन लर्निंग इज गेटिंग प्रिपेयर्ड एक्सट्रीमली वेल। तो अगर आप कहीं पे भी अप्लाई करते हो तो इंटरव्यूअर इतना ज्यादा खुश हो जाएगा, ही विल बी आस्किंग कि यार इतना स्ट्रक्चर्ड और इतना मतलब बेसिक से क्यों कैसे आता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर अगर वो कुछ भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो अगर पीसीए पूछ रहे हैं और आपने पूरा बेसिक हिट करके बताया कि प्रोजेक्शन मैट्रिक्स से आपने बताया, उनको अलग अलग इंटरप्रिटेशन दिए पीसीए के कि प्रोजेक्शन मैट्रिक्स के रेस्पेक्ट में क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है, उसका ऑप्टिमाइजेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है, उसका कोवेरेंस के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है। पीसीए के एक्चुअली 3 to 4 इंटरप्रिटेशन है। ओके। अगर आपने उसको सारे इंटरप्रिटेशन दिए, जनरली क्या होता है कि वो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन के रेस्पेक्ट में इंटरप्रिटेशन देके, मतलब लाइक आई मीन जनरली जो मशीन लर्निंग पढ़ते हैं, ऑप्टिमाइजेशन मतलब उसको लॉस फंक्शन को मिनिमाइज या मैक्सिमाइज करके हम लोग निकालते हैं कि कौन से प्रिंसिपल कंपोनेंट्स हैं। लेकिन अगर आपको प्रोजेक्शन मैट्रिक्स पता है और आपको चेंज ऑफ बेसिस पता है, तो आप उसको रिलेट कर सकते हो इजीली, एंड ऑब्वियसली वी विल रिलेट इन द लेक्चर्स। तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक जो भी हम पढ़ेंगे सारा कुछ रिलेट करके ही पढ़ेंगे, बिकॉज अभी तक तो बेसिक बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ही चल रहा था। सो यू विल बी एबल टू रिलेट विद द बेसिक्स, एंड आपका मशीन लर्निंग के कंसेप्ट इतने क्रिस्टल क्लियर हो जाएंगे कि जो एक कॉन्फिडेंस है ना आपके अंदर, वो एक इतना ज्यादा होगा, वो आपको एक इंटरव्यू देकर समझ में आ जाएगा। जस्ट आफ्टर वन इंटरव्यू यू विल गेट टू रियलाइज कि जो हमने पढ़ा था दैट वाज रियल डायमंड, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ चुके हैं हम लोग। आपको वो एक इंटरव्यू में समझ में आ जाएगा, जस्ट इवन अ सिंगल इंटरव्यू, ट्रस्ट मी। ओके। सो जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा डेप्थ में, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हैं। सिलेबस ही बहुत एक्सट्रीमली वेल प्रिपेयर्ड सिलेबस है, मतलब इतना ज्यादा सही सिलेबस है कि इसको करने के बाद आपको मशीन लर्निंग का बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से आइडिया लग जाएगा। ओके। नाउ कमिंग टू द वेरी फ्रिक्वेंट क्वेश्चन कि सर सिलेबस कंप्लीशन का क्या है। ओके। अबाउट द सिलेबस कंप्लीशन, लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू। एक सेकेंड। हाँ। ओके। सो डू यू रिमेंबर दिस वाज द इनिशियल प्लान दैट वी हैव शेयर्ड, राइट? यहां पे हमने काफी मार्जिन लेके भी चले थे हम लोग, बट हाँ। सो बेसिकली दिस वाज द इनिशियल प्लान। In this June, we should have already started DBMS, but that is fine. Let me just tell you the reason. We are going to start DBMS by the 25th of June. ठीक है? बट आप ये मान के चलो दिस डीबीएमएस विल गो इन द पैरेलल, अभी मैंने सिक्वेंशियली दिखाया हुआ है, ठीक है? बट वी ऑलरेडी हैव दैट इन आवर माइंड कि डीबीएमएस को हम पैरेलल में करेंगे, क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्डेड है टू वेरी गुड एक्सटेंट। एनीवन हैज सीन डीबीएमएस लेक्चर फ्रॉम गेट कंप्यूटर साइंस? एनीवन हियर? Okay. So Jaswant and Shraddha has seen. So can anyone tell me the review? Anyone wants to speak? Abdul has also seen. Naidu, Saikesh, Karan has also seen. Anyone wants to speak? Roshan is saying the best. So let me tell you, DBMS at Go classes is actually recorded already at its best quality. आप जब डीबीएमएस में एक एक चीज पढ़ोगे कि व्हाट इज ईआर डायग्राम, हाउ डज द एसक्यूएल क्वेरीज वर्क, व्हाट इज दिस डिवीजन ऑपरेटर। डिवीजन ऑपरेटर पे तो इतनी ज्यादा मैं वो है कमेंट्स हैं यूट्यूब वीडियो पे कि आप उनको पढ़ते पढ़ते थक जाओगे, right? Yes. So Rajesh Singh, if Deepak sir is teaching something, then no one have to say anything. Yes, obviously, right? So that is the case with DBMS also. So Deepak sir ने already ये बहुत बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे पढ़ा के रखा है. So we will take this in the parallel, which means कि हम, for example, let's suppose कि we are starting Python from July. Okay, then this Python that we are starting from July, that will go along with the DBMS. So obviously we are in the sync at least, right? So if you see that okay we are one month late or something, then you can easily do this DBMS in parallel. 2-3 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा तो obviously आपको देखना ही होगा ना, है ना? If this is already recorded, you can definitely watch along with the Python programming. Okay. Yes, you will be getting daily schedule. Daily schedule we will be sharing. Actually, I asked Deepak sir, so he was saying that it will be started from 25th of June. DBMS. So you can do DBMS with in the pillar of Python programming, and rest is anyway in the sync. See, I'm taking little bit more time for this calculus than the expected. The reason is that I don't want to miss anything. See, if you see the gate DA syllabus, okay, for the calculus, then they have not mentioned much thing. They are just saying optimization in the single variable. It is just the maximum minimum. मतलब इसमें कुछ optimization involving a single variable और a maximum minimum. These are not two different topics. These are just similar topic. तो मैं अगर बोलूं कि डिफरेंट में, तो बस टेलर सीरीज उन्होंने लिखा है, जो कि एक एक्स्ट्रा टॉपिक है, जो कि 1 या 2 दिन में कवर हो सकता है. But still, we are teaching this calculus in very good depth because that is required for your machine learning course. For example, let me just tell you what we are going to cover in calculus. Yeah. For example, in calculus module 2, we are going to cover Taylor series. That is the official part of the syllabus. ठीक है. But उसके अलावा जो भी हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, that is going to help you in machine learning. बहुत जरूरी है. Gradient descent obviously बहुत जरूरी है. Contour समझना functions के, multivariate functions होंगे, उनके contour समझना जरूरी है. Convexity, global minimum maxima ये आता रहेगा. Linear regression में आएगा. Constant optimization, KKT condition are everywhere. Without this, ML cannot even survive. Okay, कोई भी supervised machine learning cannot even survive after without this constant optimization and KKT conditions. So these things are definitely too much needed. Okay, too much needed for your machine learning part. Even when I started, preparing the slides for the calculus, like I actually bought my 7-year-old notebook from ISC. Okay, let me just show you. Just a second. दिखाता हूँ मैं आपको. ओके, पता नहीं इस पे वो तो नहीं लिखा कि डेट वगैरह नहीं लिखी, बट हाँ, दिस इज दिस इज माय नोटबुक, ISC notebook. That is from you have heard about one professor, Chiranjeev Bhattacharya, Chiru sir. He take optimization course at ISC. ओके, सो चिरू सर के ये नोटबुक है, चिरू सर की क्लास का पूरा, ये जितना भी भरा हुआ है, ये बस देखने के लिए कि क्या क्या रिलेवेंट इसमें से मैं उठा सकता हूँ जो कि जरूरी है आपके लिए, है ना. आई हैव टेकन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कोर्स at ISC, so I know what are the needed stuff. So these all of these things, ठीक है. So मैं बस देखने के लिए कि क्या क्या important है जो relevant. Obviously not all the things are relevant, but whatever is relevant, I'm going to take it. Okay, whatever is relevant. So basically what I'm saying here, कि we are already taking care of the depth of the course. We are already taking care what is relevant portion. I'm not going to rush. Okay, even if you ask me to rush, I'm not going to rush. Yes, currently you might be having little bit time, but trust me, once DBMS start, you will not be having time. ओके, डीबीएमएस के बाद ये सब चीज पैरेलल में ही चलेगा. मशीन लर्निंग के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा, मतलब थोड़ा रिलैक्स होगा उस टाइम पे, बट अगेन यू आर हैविंग 2 सब्जेक्ट्स इन पैरेलल. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे देर विल बी लिटिल बिट, आई कैन से यू विल बी हैविंग लिटिल बिट रिलैक्स इन द सेंस कि आपके पास एनफ टाइम होगा टू कंज्यूम द मटेरियल, बट अगेन यू विल बी हैविंग थिंग्स इन द पैरेलल. So if currently you are having time, that is okay. I mean, for at most 10 days you will be having little bit more time, but after 10 days you will be having things in the parallel. Okay, and again things in the parallel. So the syllabus is not much actually. For gate DA the syllabus is not much. It is just that we are teaching things already in the good depth. That is why it is taking time. See, let me tell you, in the calculus, most probably, okay, I cannot obviously say it for sure, but most probably, like in any coaching, no one is going to teach you all of this stuff. Okay, in the calculus at least. Okay, in the detail that we are teaching, they might touch you the definitions and all, but they will not tell you all of this stuff. If you see any other coaching calculus part, it might be 5-6 lectures, but यहाँ पे 20 lectures होने वाले हैं. Okay, क्योंकि वो जरूरी है. I cannot rush. Just understand. Okay, I cannot rush. हाँ, दीपांशु बताइए. दीपांशु has raised the hand.
सर आई वांट टू आस्क वन डाउट सर.
हाँ हाँ बताइए.
सर लाइक सर आपने मार्च स्टार्ट कर दिया था, तो सर जस्ट आई हैव ज्वाइंड रिसेंटली द कोर्स. सर
हाँ,
राइट नाउ आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दी, आई एम डूइंग
नहीं
दी
दीपांशु,
एंट्रेंस.
सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट. मुझे लगा ये डाउट फ्लो में है. ये डाउट मतलब आपका पर्सनल है या फिर कैलकुलस से रिलेटेड है?
सर
मैं
पर्सनल है.
डाउट बाद में ले लूंगा, आपके अगर कुछ पर्सनल डाउट है तो.
ओके.
ओके, सो लेट मी जस्ट कंप्लीट इन द फ्लो, अदरवाइज द फ्लो विल गेट डिस्टर्ब. हाँ. Okay. So this is about the syllabus completion, that we are already in the track. जैसा कि ये शुरू में जो ट्रैक फॉलो किया था, बस ये है कि दो सब्जेक्ट्स को पैरेलल में हम लोग चलाएंगे यहाँ पे। ओके, दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस। ओके।
Hello,
ओके।
sir.
हाँ हाँ, बताइए।
Sir, in uh, probability statistical test, t-test, chi-test, all those things, will we cover it along with calculus?
No, no. That actually I'm studying currently. So this T-test, JET test, these things I needed to understand bit more to teach you guys. Okay, so that's why I have never studied it. Even my friends at ISC, I've talked to many of my friends. They have also never studied it. Okay, even toppers of the class haven't studied because these are bit off topic. Statics के topics हैं वो generally machine learning से इतना इतना closely related नहीं है कि people of machine learning definitely study them. So it will not be taught along with the calculus. Once it is ready, it will be I can say 5-6 of the days. Okay, so मैं 5-6 days I will be taking those classes. Once this is ready, I will announce it in the announcement group. Maybe after the calculus or maybe after the Python.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So Sarda is saying T-test, these are not in GATE syllabus. No, they are in the GATE syllabus, but we will teach you after the Python or something. I'm currently preparing those topics. Okay. So this was regarding the syllabus completion. This was regarding importance of GATE DA, like about the IITs, about the PSUs, about the industry. Okay, and yeah, majorly I wanted to discuss these things only. I think, right? Because these were the questions that was raised by you. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt regarding to TBMS subject.
Yes,
Sir,
Sumya, बताइए.
in TBMS we have to only do data warehousing. Rest तो आपने सारा recorded form में
Right.
upload. Okay, sir.
Right. So basically, all of the content will be in the recorded form. Only data warehousing classes will be live. Okay. So data warehousing classes will be live that we will take, but other content will be in the recorded form. आदित्य सिंह सर, पहले में डेली कितना कंटेंट बढ़ जाएगा? बस मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड होना है. आई विल से DBMS will be 2.5 hours per day. Okay, 2.5 to 3 hours per day. ठीक है. Okay. So that is all I wanted to share with you guys. You can just let me know if there is any other doubt, or we can just close the session. Mohammed is asking, sir, how much months it will take to complete the syllabus from starting to zero? How many months it will take? As you can see here, I mean, it will depend obviously on you that how much time you are spending per day. So it takes more time to teach than to study, to be honest. Okay, to teach you, or like we have to prepare all the material, so it takes generally more time to teach. But to study, I think it will be taking quite lesser than written here. So I think linear algebra you can finish in 20 days most probably. Probability also you can finish in like 15 days something. Okay, so, matlab, based on you can talk to or maybe even if you do not talk to any of your colleague from the Go classes, you can directly start preparing. Okay, so linear algebra को आप एक बार prepare कर लो. I think it might be 80 hours. Okay, total module 1 and module 2. So now depending on you that how much time you are spending per day, depending on you. 80 hours तो नहीं होगा शायद, सॉरी. आई थिंक 80 आवर्स तो नहीं है, सॉरी सॉरी. मुझे लगा कि 30 तो मॉड्यूल 1 है शायद, एंड मॉड्यूल 2 माइट बी 50 आवर्स. सो हाँ, 80 आवर्स हो जाएगा. ओके, इट माइट बी 80 आवर्स. ओके, सो based on that you can just see that how much time you are going to spend daily. Nikhil is asking, is transaction also covered in DBMS recorded? I think transaction management is not in GATE DA syllabus. I'm not sure about the DBMS syllabus. ट्रांजेक्शन मैनेजमेंट नहीं है ना? अगर वो नहीं है तो फिर वो गेट डीए वाले सिलेबस में अपलोड भी नहीं होगा. ओके, वी डोंट वांट टू कंफ्यूज यू गाइस. इफ दैट इज नॉट इन द गेट डीए सिलेबस, वी विल नॉट अपलोड दैट पोर्शन. राइट. ओके. Nandu is asking that what would be the estimated time to finish LA if we plan for 3 hours? As I told you, 80 by 3 you can do. Okay, if you are planning for 3 hours, then you can do 80 by 3. Yes, Dipanshu, you can unmute yourself and then you can ask.
सर आई वांट टू आस्क लाइक दैट सर, जिन्होंने प्रिपरेशन अभी स्टार्ट करी है, अभी कोर्स ज्वाइन किए हैं, तो आप ऑलरेडी 3 टॉपिक्स कवर कर चुके हो, एलए, प्रोबेबिलिटी और कैलकुलस। तो if हम अब से स्टार्ट करके तो किस सीक्वेंस में जाएं ताकि सिलेबस टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो जाए हमारा और आपके पैरेलल ही आ जाए, क्योंकि जून टू फेब में एग्जाम हो जाएगा और हर चीज डेप्थ में कवर करनी है। ये प्रोबेबिलिटी थोड़ा सा टाइम ले रहा समझने में एज कम्पेयर टू।
नहीं मतलब what you can do, you can just you can just do uh, with us, which means जो भी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं अभी आप उसको पढ़ लो। एंड सपोज इफ देर इज एनी रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ प्रीवियस टॉपिक है ना, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोवेरिएंस आया कहीं यूज में तो आप धीरे धीरे तब तक आपका कवर हो जाएगा। फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आप हमारे साथ चलो, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, यू कैन जस्ट स्टार्ट विद द कैलकुलस, ओके। एंड देन एट योर बैक एंड यू जस्ट कीप ऑन स्टडिंग लीनियर अलजेब्रा प्रोबेबिलिटी। जब डीबीएमएस चालू हो उस टाइम पे यू डोंट स्टडी डीबीएमएस एट दैट टाइम, यू कैन स्टडी लीनियर अलजेब्रा प्रोबेबिलिटी इन पैरेलल इंस्टेड ऑफ डीबीएमएस, ताकि मशीन लर्निंग जब आपका चालू हो तो एलए प्रॉप कैलकुलस तीनों रेडी हो जाए आपके, okay। So instead of dbms you can prepare la probe, okay, at that time।
ओके
And dbms you can do later on, ml के साथ में आप कर सकते हो,
ओके।
okay। So Roshan is asking, okay, before Roshan I think there are other doubts. Abdul is asking that sir, how to make revision strategy, like we have completed la and half probability, and as the course progress we are having more subjects, so how to make revision strategy? So for the revision you just need to revise periodically. If you think that okay, there has been, let's suppose, 20 days, then just revise it, okay, just revise the annotated notes, that's enough, okay। In every 15-20 days just revise all the annotated notes, and then you will never forget that subject. I mean, don't revise when you forget it. Okay, revise when you remember it completely. Because if you forget it and then you start revising, then it will take more time. And if you already know the things and then you're revising, then it will take less time. So revise based on the time. For example, it has been, let's suppose, 20 days. Then just revise it once, okay, or maybe 1 month. Even though you know all of the things, still just revise it once. Okay, even though you know all of the things. So don't revise once you forget. That's very important to understand. Okay, revise periodically. So Tilak is asking, sir, GATE CS PYQs of engineering mathematics will be sufficient, or should we do PYQs from all the branches? Obviously, it is better if you do PYQs from all the branches. Okay. So Roshan is asking, sir, I'm dropper. GATE DA score is this. I have decided to give GATE DA one more time with the better preparation. My question is, should I give GATE mathematics as a second paper? Because IIT accept GATE mathematics for data science. Is it good to appear for winter admission? So I think GATE mathematics will be very much different syllabus. Okay, so it might not be much helpful. If you do not have any other choice, then GATE mathematics is a good choice, but it will not be much helpful. Okay, GATE DA preparation won't help you in GATE mathematics. Won't help you much actually. Okay, it will definitely help you, but it won't help you much because that is having a bit different syllabus. Okay. And the second question is that is it good idea to appear for winter admission? Yes, definitely. If you apply, if you get the call, then why not? Arnav is asking, sir, would you say that completion GATE is going to increase completion? नहीं यार, मतलब अगर आपने अच्छे से पढ़ा है तो कुछ कंपटीशन नहीं है। द गुड थिंग इज दैट कि यू हैव एनरोल्ड इन गो क्लासेस, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ओके। सो आपको अभी से मतलब चीज अच्छे से आ जाएगा, तो इट विल बी हार्ड फॉर अदर पीपल टू कम्पीट विथ यू गाइस, ओके। यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, मतलब इतना कुछ इश्यू नहीं है आपके लिए, ओके
Sir,
सर।
I also have one doubt regarding to how to make notes. Is it
ओके,
good to, I mean, study from annotated notes, or I should make my own notes? Please
I
clarify.
think for the core concepts you can write it. Okay, it depends on person to person. So for the core concepts you can write it. You can skip the examples. For example, if there are, let's suppose, 10 examples, you can just skip maybe 8 examples. Just maybe you can just write one or two. Okay, but the concepts you can write it if you want to. Okay, I mean, don't make it. I mean, don't copy all of the things from annotated notes to your notes, and also at the same time don't do one thing. Don't watch the lectures like a movie. Okay, so watch the lectures with pen and paper, write the things, but not all the things. whatever is relevant, just write it and periodically revise. This is very important. In every 15-20 days, just revise, set of topics. Let's suppose for linear algebra, just revise module 1 in 15 days, then next 15 days module 2, and then in next 15 days maybe probability, like that. Periodically revise.
Sir, what am I doing is like I'm watching a video lecture at 2x speed, and after that I'm making notes at let's say 1.5x speed. Is the strategy good?
1.5 you can watch if you are able to understand, not an issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please tell me.
So means just for clarification, in my third year in GATE DA, I had a rank of 1.5K. So in this attempt, means up to what rank would it be suitable to target for me?
So see, one thing that I will say, that these kind of questions, don't mind, but these kind of questions are not even worth to ask. See, if I say target for first rank, and if I say target for 500 rank, I mean, how can I first of all say it? This is one thing. And if I say target for first rank or target for 500 rank, how my saying is going to change your preparation? And how, like, I mean, like, what should I reply to this? That is the thing. It is not just you, and I get these kind of questions from students very often, that what is the rank that I should target, and these things, right? I mean, these are the things that no one can tell you. मतलब फर्स्ट रैंक को टारगेट करो, मैं क्या बोलूँ इसमें? मतलब एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि कोई भी क्या बोलेगा? आपको क्या लगता है, आप किसी से भी पूछोगे अपार्ट फ्रॉम गॉड, क्या बोलेंगे वो? कोई किसी से भी पूछोगे तो आप कि हाँ मतलब अपनी मेहनत करो। मैं तो मतलब यही करता हूँ कि हाँ मतलब जस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर द बेस्ट। टारगेट क्या होता है, मतलब टारगेट क्या करना है? कुछ टारगेट नहीं करना है, मतलब अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करना है। हाँ, मॉक टेस्ट में नंबर बढ़ाने हैं, जब भी मॉक टेस्ट फुल लाइन चालू होंगे उस टाइम पे नंबर इंक्रीज करने का ट्राई करना है। ठीक है।
Okay, sir.
हाँ।
Yes, sir.
ओके। Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Let me just stop the recording and then I can take your doubts later on, because otherwise this video length will be too much. Okay. So thank you everyone, those who have stayed. I'm stopping the recording and hope you like this session. Okay. If you, I'm going to upload the session on the YouTube. If you like the session, just comment it after in the comment section, because we rarely get any comment in Gate DA channel, and our Gate DA channel is actually very dry. It is very, I can say very much dry, in the sense there is very less comment, apart from, we are upload like even though we are uploading the lectures of linear algebra, because they are free lectures, still we don't get much comment. So just comment if you like the session. Okay. Thank you so much.